And I used to today you don't want to come in the frame. This is how it looks. And today is one of the most relaxed Sunday evenings for me because my child is with me. And after this, the Domino's that we are in, it's in Bachpally. And Ayush, what is this apartment? What is this building called? Pagadala Pride. It's in Bachpally, and this is how it looks really. And we are waiting for our order to come. So on that note, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Ayush, this is something you've literally earned it, because today Ayush did something very remarkable. So we always, whenever Ayush does something special, we always celebrate with a pizza. So Ayush, this is something you've really earned it. So, and this is the...
Tell what I did.
Yes, no, he was very brave today. So this is how the whole place looks. This is how it looks. It's the queue. And we'll catch up with you all soon enough. And this is how it looks. This is the chocolava cake. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Are you sure enjoying your pizza? Seriously good, right? Yeah, with the oregano I think. Makes me so happy to just see my child. It's really good.